Some homes you'll remember forever, and this brand new mid-century modern masterpiece is going to be one of them. I am super excited to show you one of our finest luxury listings with views of the island and the ocean, and it's situated right here in the Ventura Foothills. Let's step inside and take a look and be prepared to fall in love. Waking up to views like these every single morning, it's so peaceful and relaxing. You know, homes like these don't come on the market very often, and when they do, they don't tend to last very long. If you would like to experience this for yourself and want a private showing, be sure to DM me or call me. I'm Blanca with the Blanca Real Estate Team and EXP, where we go above and beyond to make sure that you are well taken care of.